Today we are working on the Daytona Jack 3-ton. These were on sale again for $109. I almost bought a new one because this one stopped holding weight. And I ended up finding a video, like a 12-year-old video on YouTube. I mean, I searched forever. I don't know, it just happened to pop up one day what the problem is, and I fixed the thing in like, I don't know, 30 seconds. So we ended up buying this for the ITC, was the $59.99. We're going to install that. And so the issue with the jack is it's slowly stopped holding weight, and this year it will jack the vehicle up, but as soon as you stop jacking, it starts coming right down. And it's gotten to the point where as soon as you're done, it's back on the ground in 10 seconds. So you have to jack it up, hurry up and get your jack stand underneath the vehicle. So I was going to buy the new one, and then I seen next month they have the Low Pro extended reach on sale for, it's going to be I think $169. Anyways, so I got this, my Mac, my Maco is, it did the same thing. It stopped pumping up carbs. And this was like, I don't know, 6 years ago. So like I've always had bad luck with jacks. So I ended up fleecing the front wheels and the swivels off the Matco, and I took the handle off of it because all of that fit onto here. And you know, they're nicer, heavier duty than what comes on this jack. So with the video, I guess what happens is, as they sit, the fluid starts draining out of all the orifices where all the check valves are, and then you get air in there. And obviously this thing sits most of the winter. I keep it in the shed, so I mean it doesn't freeze, because I keep the shed part of this little structure out behind my house heated. And so all you have to do is jack it up all the way. Like I can't believe that this, like, I mean, no use in crying over spilt milk, but it kind of pisses me off that I probably threw away the Matco when there was probably nothing wrong with it. So once you get it pumped all the way up, right, and it stops, then you go all the way up and all the way down with it, and you do this like, I don't know, 4 or 5 times to the point where you start feeling real good resistance, and you really have to struggle to hold this down. And that's it. It primes the air out of it, and it works, because I did this yesterday to it, and I jacked I have a Duramax, I jacked up the front end of the truck, and I let it sit there. I closed the garage door, I came back out an hour later, and it was sitting right where I left it. And 2 weeks ago, when I was doing my tire rotation on it, because I did an oil change, this thing wouldn't hold the truck up. So yeah. So if you have a jack that is slowly starting to come down every time you jack something up, there's a pretty good chance that there's just air in it and it needs to be primed. So yeah, so now that we got that done, let's get this pad off of here and get this Dayton, what do they call it, cross beam on there. This thing's actually pretty sweet. I've been wanting one for a while. My buddy had one.